Before installing, it is best practice to test your inverter by using the enclosed cables and the highest rated appliance you will be powering. Note the voltage and voltage drop when the appliance is turned on. Determine the mounting location for the inverter. Make sure it is a location that is not exposed to dirt or debris. It is recommended that you mount your inverter in a horizontal location on the floor. However, if you choose to mount it in another area such as a cabinet, make sure that the cables and cords are secured. Once you have determined the mounting location, make sure you have the proper size and length cable. Refer to the chart found in your operating instructions. Connect the negative ground cable to the inverter first and then to the battery. Then connect the positive jumper cable to a fuse or circuit breaker and then to the battery. Now connect the other positive cable to the fuse or circuit breaker. Then connect the other end to the inverter. You will see a slight spark indicating a charge to the capacitors on the inverter circuit board. Turn the inverter on. The display should flash between the voltage and power usage. If you do experience a significant drop in the voltage compared to prior testing, your cables may be too small. Check your owner's manual for proper gauge size. You are now ready to use your inverter. Always check your owner's manual and instructions for additional information.